Ever dreamt of a soil that waters itself? Well, scientists at the University of Texas at Austin have turned that dream into reality. They've developed a smart soil that can boost crop yields using less water and fertilizer than regular soil. Sounds too good to be true? Let's dive in. What's smart soil? The secret lies in a specially designed hydrogel material that can capture water from the air. This magic soil, as its creators call it, keeps plants well hydrated and releases nutrients in a controlled manner. Why do we need smart soil? With climate change making water availability unpredictable, scientists are on a quest to improve soil productivity. Traditional farming practices like irrigation and fertilization face significant challenges. As water resources become scarcer, we need more efficient and sustainable irrigation methods. How does it work? The smart soil absorbs water vapor from the air at night and releases it to plant roots during the day. It also provides a slow release of essential nutrients like calcium chloride. The results? Plants growing in this soil showed a whopping 138% increase in stem length compared to those in regular soil, using 40% less water. With climate change making water availability unpredictable and agriculture guzzling up 70% of the world's fresh water, we need all the help we can get. But is this smart soil the hero we need? Or could it have a dark side? While the technology seems promising, it's essential to consider potential long-term effects on ecosystems and soil biodiversity. Could we become too dependent on engineered solutions? The researchers are continuing to test different fertilizers and conduct longer field studies. But one thing's for sure, this smart soil is giving us food for thought. So, what do you think? Is this the future of farming, or should we stick to good old-fashioned dirt?